Think designing aligners has to be complicated? With LuxDesign, it's actually built around how you want to work. Because at the end of the day, doctors want control, and that's exactly what LuxDesign gives to you. LuxDesign and LuxCreo give doctors 3 separate ways to design their cases: FastTrack AI, manual mode, or simply send it to LuxCreo, all with unique benefits of their own. Option 1, FastTrack. Just click and your case is automatically designed for you. 4D aligner shells generated automatically and instantly with incredible precision. Let AI handle the whole thing. Want more control? Option 2 is manual mode. Want to adjust the thickness, maybe the trim line, add custom attachments? Go as deep as you want and fine-tune everything with our intuitive system. And option 3, don't design it at all. With LuxCreo 4D Express, our experts handled the design and sent you the print-ready STL files. You can focus on what matters most, your patients. 3 ways to design: fully automated, fully manual, or fully done for you. That's the flexibility of LuxDesign, and that's how you bring aligner production in-house your way.